everybody, this is David with Texas Best Flooring Company, and this is one of our tile installs. We're installing Eleganza's Provenza Beige. You can buy this product on our website and see product information and details there as well. This is a 20 by 20 tile, porcelain tile. We're doing a diagonal lay from the front of the house all the way to the back of the house. So this is about 1,300 square foot of tile that's being laid. What we're doing right now is we're prepping the floor. We've already taken up all the vinyl, and now we're taking up stone that was in the front of the house. It looks like somebody had poured it with some old mortar. It just wasn't right. And this is something that we found out after the fact, and believe it or not, we're not charging the customer anything extra because we kind of knew that there was something wrong. So we stand by our word, and this is one of our tile installs that we're doing out here in Dallas. So this will be step one, take up. This is David with Texas Best Flooring Company. Okay, so basically when I looked at this customer's house, they called us out here because they had had some flooding originally, or a pipe break. And in order to do the patchwork, the plumbers or whoever she hired put this patch on their concrete subfloor. Well, this is a big mistake that I see in Dallas everywhere. Basically, when you remove this dirt from this, that's underneath this slab, you have to put it back and you have to compact it. They don't do it. I believe it's every 12 inches or 18 inches you have to do a certain amount of compaction, and then you put more dirt and more fill dirt. Then they also, when they put this, when they pour this, they don't put rebar. There has to be a way that, as you can tell, here at the end joints and there, that this new pour ties into the existing slab. You would think it's common sense, because now basically you didn't compact the earth, the patch is not tied into the existing slab, so over time it will settle at a different rate and the floor that we put on this will pop. So I told the customer that, hey, this is the situation, and this is why you know, she should have hired somebody that actually knew how to do this properly. But she said, yeah, I didn't know that, and no, they didn't do that. So when you get your house raised on piers, when you have patchwork in your concrete, make sure they backfill and compact the soil, then put in rebar and tie it into the existing slab, then pour this. That way it actually, whatever happens underneath the slab, this patch will be tied into your slab, and then the floor that we put on top will not pop or will not sink. So the only way to properly do this would be to tear this out and and do the new rebar and re-pour the concrete. But the homeowner in this case said, no, David, I'm not worried about that, but I'm going to keep an extra box of tile so that when it does happen, at least you knew what happened, so that I wouldn't be stuck with this space 5 years from now and not have to find tile that matches. So this is David, Texas Best Flooring Company. This is why when you work with us, you get a professional construction installation company, not just somebody who just knows about products. So when these things arise, we can give you a heads up, and then you can make a informed decision. Okay, so we've now finished the job, and now we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of cleaning and then move all the furniture back. And it looks great. Everything looks perfect. It was done on a 1/8 grout line. Everything has been done on a diagonal pattern. And you know, this new product from Eleganza looks really, really good in a home. So go ahead and watch the following video and see for yourself. Alright everybody, this is David with Texas Best Flooring Company, and this is Linda, the homeowner, whose project that we've just completed. Linda, go ahead and give us your review.
Hi, my name's Linda, and they've just finished my job, and we're elated, we're ecstatic. They did a fabulous job. They went above and beyond, and even did extras without charging me. But Texas Best Flooring has done a terrific job. I would recommend them to anybody, and their crew is extremely trustworthy, and they cleaned up after the fact, and we're just thrilled.
Alright, well, there you have it, another satisfied customer. This is David and Linda, Texas Best Flooring Company. Have a great day.
Thanks.